You can turn it to mango.
Welcome back to How to Do Basic Things. Today I have Ish, who's going to be helping us how to open a wine bottle. It's very important to learn how to open one. People on Wine Wednesdays, you don't want to be that person who don't know how to open the wine bottle and then end up spilling it and kind of ruining the whole party. So Ish, thank you again for coming to our channel and helping us out. So what do we have today?
Today we're just going to be learning how to use some basic utensils you see around your house. Honestly, I messed up my hand one time in college. I was using one of these and, oh, excuse my friend, sorry.
Okay.
Using one of these and I, honestly, long story short, the web of my hand ripped open and I need to get stitches.
Oh my god.
And it ruined my wine and cheese party.
It probably kind of left you scarred for a little bit, didn't it?
It left me scarred for a while, physically and mentally. Even till this day, I'd rather use one of these babies or just have a beer.
Just have a beer. Well, we're going to help you guys how to open them correctly because we don't want that happening to you, obviously, and being scarred for life. So what is the first step in opening a wine bottle? What do we have to do? Do we open it from the bottom?
No, honey, no. You gotta, unless you're a bottom, then you can open it from the bottom. But I mean, for most of us, we like to top, especially with our wine.
Right.
And you really just need to get the wrapping off of it.
Okay.
A lot of people think that it has cancer in it, but I'm just a classy ass lady.
Yeah, I heard it had like lead or something.
Yeah, I mean, cancer, everything gives you cancer nowadays. But either way, for me, just aesthetically, you just want to get that.
Perfect. So what are we going to open first? Which one are we going to be? Let's go with the one that left you scarred.
Yeah, I guess
you have to like
just
overcome
get
your
that out the
fear.
way
Yeah,
a
maybe you might
little
get
bit.
flashbacks, but it's okay.
I know.
It's okay. We don't want you getting flashbacks.
Whatever. So, okay, with these babies, it's kind of more manual, so you definitely want to get the tip of it right on the cork.
Okay.
And you want to start twisting. But
which way do we twist?
you want to twist right or clockwise, I guess. I don't even know if this is clockwise.
No, I think you're right.
Clockwise?
It's to the right.
We'll see. But anyways, you'll pretty much know what you're doing because it's gonna go in.
Oh, really?
And honestly, let's be. There's no need to rush.
Come on, potato.
Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, you don't want to rush it because that is how you will mess up your hand. While you're doing this, you don't need to do it standing up. You can do it sitting down or just on a surface.
Exactly.
Because the whole point of this entire thing is to get it really on this nice edge
Right there.
So once you have it on that little edge, you want to have a firm, stand with one hand, and you're going to use your other hand. I don't know if you're right-handed or left-handed. But anyways, and you want to just pull
At this moment that he knew, he fucked up.
Ooh. Ooh. So we fucked up.
Still we fucked up, but it's okay. That's fine. Let's try that again.
Well, I want to drink this one.
Oh, we are gonna drink this one. Alright, so we're just gonna keep going.
You know what? What's good about this is that you really didn't totally fuck it up.
Right.
You can still kind of use it. It's better to have it this way than it fall into the actual wine.
Yeah, you're right.
Once again, I'm getting ahead of myself.
Okay.
You want to make sure that that nice little edge is right there on the wine glass. Pull up. This time,
Oh,
yeah, better.
easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Thank you. I honestly do feel a little bit more confident.
And we got that over with, so make some room.
Well, I mean, can we have a glass of it since it's
yes. Excuse us, can we get a glass?
I like this guy more, and now that I have a little bit of wine, I can definitely probably not mess up this time.
Yeah, hopefully not.
So we have a good little Cabernet Sauvignon right here. Same rules still apply, you guys. What do you like? What is this your favorite red wine?
I think white's a little too sweet. Red, I like a little bitterness.
Yeah.
Not saying I'm a bitter person or anything,
tired.
but it just adds character.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah.
Okay. It just makes me tired.
Bruh.
Anyways, okay, so these two is that this one will kill you. This one's a little bit more safe and it's less mechanical. So what you guys want to do is still get a little.
Really less mechanical. I feel like it's like more mechanical. It has a wing.
I feel like you don't have to do as much work.
Potato,
Like,
right?
this is Stone Age and this is like
Industrial
English.
This is like
Revolution.
2000s. This is like 2015 relevance.
You know what?
Whatever.
Get this bad boy on the cork, nice and stationary. And then once you can start doing that, it's really easy. You just pull off.
Well, I think you should just like hold this portion up. Alright, so let's try this again.
Yeah.
So what are we doing now?
Okay, you pretty much just want to get this little guy up all the way. Start twisting. Same thing.
Same
Putting
row,
the
same
pin
row.
in there.
Mm-hmm.
Getting it in all the way. Not too fast. I guess you can't go too deep in this
That's what she
case,
said.
but you weird. There's such thing as going too deep. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, and then once it's like that, you just kind of get the wings of this guy and
The
put
bird?
it all the way up.
oh.
And then even if you don't get it out the way, just make sure you're sitting down on
Uh-huh.
a surface.
And
Cool.
wow, that
Yeah.
was really easy. So I just want to thank Ish for coming onto our channel on How to Do Basic Things. Thank you again for coming and stopping by.
It was a pleasure. Thank you for having me.
If you thought this video was helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on How to Do Basic Things so you guys can stay updated on future content. But other than that, cheers. Where's our wine glasses?
Cheers. Yes.
Yes. Bye.
Definitely look more now.